A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic turn of events, Rudy Giuliani, the former New York City mayor and personal lawyer to Donald Trump, has been found in contempt of court once again. This ruling comes from U.S. District Judge Beryl Howell, who expressed her frustration at Giuliani's continued defamation of two Georgia election workers, Ruby Freeman and Shay Moss. This contempt ruling is the second in just a matter of days, highlighting the ongoing legal troubles that Giuliani faces as a result of his unfounded allegations against the two women. The saga began after the 2020 presidential election when Giuliani falsely accused Freeman and Moss of committing election fraud while they counted votes in Fulton County, Georgia. His baseless claims not only tarnished their reputations but also exposed them to a barrage of violent threats and harassment, fundamentally altering their lives. In December 2023, a federal jury awarded Freeman and Moss a staggering $148 million in damages for the harm Giuliani caused. The judge's recent ruling underscores that Giuliani has violated a permanent injunction he agreed to in May, which prohibited him from making defamatory statements about the two women. Despite this agreement, Giuliani reportedly repeated his accusations at least 4 times in November, shortly after Trump's 2024 election victory. Judge Howell did not hold back in her condemnation of Giuliani's actions, stating that it was outrageous and shameful for him to suggest that he was the one being treated unfairly in this case. The judge ordered Giuliani to file a sworn declaration affirming that he had reviewed all relevant testimony and evidence from the previous defamation case, giving him a tight deadline of 10 days to comply. Failure to do so could result in a fine of $200 per day and potential jail time. The contempt ruling has sparked outrage from Giuliani's camp, with his attorney arguing that the former mayor did not defame the women for several months, and that his brief references to them in November should not warrant such severe consequences. However, Judge Howell dismissed these arguments, emphasizing that a few months of good behavior do not excuse subsequent bad actions. Giuliani's legal woes do not end here. He is set to appear in court again on January 16th, where he will face further scrutiny regarding the handover of his assets to Freeman and Moss. This includes personal items such as his World Series rings and a condominium in Palm Beach, which the court has ordered to be transferred as part of the defamation judgment. The ongoing legal battles for Giuliani are compounded by his previous loss of law licenses in both Washington, D.C. and New York, following his promotion of false claims regarding the 2020 election. As the legal repercussions continue to mount, Giuliani's future remains uncertain, and the ramifications of his actions serve as a cautionary tale about the consequences of spreading misinformation. The case has garnered significant media attention, with many observers closely watching how the court will handle Giuliani's repeated defiance of its orders. The judge's strong stance against Giuliani's behavior reflects a broader commitment within the judicial system to uphold the rule of law and protect individuals from defamatory attacks. As this story unfolds, it remains to be seen what further actions the court will take to ensure accountability for Giuliani's continued disregard for the legal process. For Freeman and Moss, the fight for justice continues as they navigate the aftermath of Giuliani's damaging claims, hoping that the legal system will ultimately provide them with the restitution they deserve. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.